this video tutorial, we will see how to print number square pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. In this pattern, every line contains 5 numbers. Along with every number, a single space character is appended. Let's type code to print this pattern. Declare and initialize a variable I with 0. We are going to use while loop here while I less than 5. 5 is nothing but the required number of iterations. At the end of every iteration, we are going to increase I value by 1. So here I value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, I value will become 5, 5 less than 5, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. To print this type of pattern, we are going to use inner while loop with a variable j. Inner while j less than 5. At the end of inner while loop iteration, we are going to increase j value by 1. So here j value will be 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. At the end of 5th iteration, j value will become 5, 5 less than 5, condition false, and iteration is going to stop here. To print this pattern, we are going to use if else condition. If I equal 0 or j equal 0 or I equal 4 or j equal 4, then print 1 and separate the number with space character. This if condition is going to print 1 in this entire pattern. So let's see that. After printing the line, we want to bring the cursor in the next line. For that, we are going to use this empty print method outside this nested while loop. Save the file, run the file in the terminal py_square.py. So here we can use else condition, else print star and separate with single space character. Save the file, run the file in the terminal. We can see we are able to print 1 of this pattern. So now let's try to print 2. In place of star, use 2. Save the file, run the file in the terminal. We are able to print 1 and 2. Now in place of 2 in the second position of I and j, print 3. And if I is equal to j equal to 2, then print 3 separate with single space character. Save the file, run the file in the terminal. This is our expected number square pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of number square pattern.